Morning students, the day before yesterday we have started the second unit and the first poem of the second unit, Try Again. And if you remember, we have taken the warming activities for this poem. In these activities, the spider had continuously tried to reach the success, that means the top of the wall. And that time he effort continuously 6 times. That means at the last effort he became successful. But before successful he had to take several unsuccessful attempts. Do you understand? Several unsuccessful attempts. It means this spider gave us a lesson or suggested us before reach at the success, we have to continuous effort to become successful. So in this poem, the poet W.E. Hickson tells us the same message that if you want to become successful, not possible to success in the first attempt, not possible to success in the second attempt, or sometime not possible to success in this third attempt. So in this poem, the poet want to tell us that if you want to become successful, you have to do the several efforts. But if you become unsuccessful, don't be disheartened, don't be fearful. Do you understand the word disheartened or fearful? So let us read the poem. It is the lesson you should heed. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. In the very first line, the poet says, if you do not succeed in the first attempt, take the second attempt. Again try for it. Then your courage should appear, for if you will preserve, it will conquer. Never fear, try again. We know that if you become unsuccessful, you have to conquer with our fear. If you fail in the first attempt, the fear arises in our mind, and that time we have to face the fear. We have to conquer the fear of ourselves, because if the fear is arise, we can't do the efforts. So the poet says that we have to do the several efforts. We have to try again and again. Once or twice, though we should fail, try again. If you would at last prevail, try again. Once or two, if you become fail. It is a simple technology, simple point, simple thing that first or second attempt you can't be successful. That time you have to take the several efforts, several fail, and that time you will be successful in your point or your target or aim. Then the poet says the simple lesson you have to pay attention that after the folk can do, why with patience may not you? We know that when we enter in any competition, only one will be the achiever, only one will be the successful person. But it is not feeling that the remaining person would not be doing very good. All the persons doing very good, but the only one could be successful or the first, the best. The first or the best will be the single. It means the remaining persons have tried so hard, and that time the appreciation should be given to the remaining persons also, remaining students also. So that time just think that the first is the human just like you. Then if ask the same question to yourself, why I am not? If this one will be successful, then why I am not? So ask these questions to everyone, to our heart, that if this would be successful, that why I am not? Ask ourselves, because this question give us the inspiration for trying continuously. Give us spirit to trying continuously, and if you struggle or hard work, you will first in the next attempt. Do you understand what I mean to say? This time, if you are with the appreciation, you achieve the appreciation but would not reach at this first one. Just ask ourselves, why I am not, and struggle again. And if you struggle again and again, you will be the first in the next attempt. Is it clear? So, this poem always giving us the message that if you do not be successful in the first, second, third or fourth attempt, don't be disheartened, don't be fearful, don't quit the efforts, but continuous the effort, you will certainly be successful in your prime. Is it clear? So, we will stop here. We will take the English workshop activities